In this video, I'll show you how to export task information through TaskDock Pro into the Challenger 1000 series or MT700 Next Generation series. If you see down in the bottom here, I've went under my online tab on my FarmWorks. You can see my MT738 located right here. Once you have that, you're able to send information via Wi-Fi to the tractor, whether it be a prescription or a field. I'm going to go to my jobs tab here so you can see I'm going to just throw one job at the tractor. You can see I have this Hankinson parking lot. The first important thing to do on the job is, once you have it made, I'm just going to quickly show you a picture of the field. So this is the prescription, 3 different rates, 30 acres. I'm going to go to my jobs, and just like any of the other AccuTerminals, what we're going to need to do is right click, hit work order to console. Once I've hit that, you're going to see this icon right here that looks like the SD card with an AGCO symbol. Once I do that, I'm going to hit my file. I'm going to go to write job data, and I'm going to pick AGCO ISO task variodoc/taskdoc. Under the advanced setup, I'm under version 2, grid type 2, merge, make sure that's yes, so if you do add any existing files, it'll just overwrite. And then external obstacles and machines, put no. And then the grid setup, I just have it as calculate grid size for the prescription that I've made. Once I select OK, under options, make sure that you have the given field selected. So you can see here I have my MT700 horse under the horse field. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. Now it's going to come up with a list of machines that you have. So you could have multiple machines here. For this, I just have the MT700. I'm going to select it, and I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. And it's very important that you have this one task, or however many tasks you have under this window. If you don't have this task exported, you probably didn't right click the job. So now I'm going to hit OK, and now we're going to go to the display here, and you can see the display has cell signal. So the VDO3 modem has cell signal. You can see TaskDock data exchange successfully completed, and you can see that it's going to bring up a window whether you want to import it or not. I'm going to hit OK to import. Now you can see the TaskDock import progress. You can see it's been updated. Alright, now this is the home screen. You can see that we are controlling a horse planter over Isobus. Okay, right here in the top left, here's the ISO. You can see my target right here. Now I'm going to bring up a prescription so you can see exactly what it looks like. So I'm going to hit the back arrow. Now I want to start a job. So I want to come into my jobs tab. So I'll go in and I'll select my prescription. So there you see the Cranky MT700 horse. I'm going to go ahead and hit the check. Alright, now you'll see it'll fill everything out. So the Fendt Vario tractor, Horse Maestro planter for the ISO. You'll see the acres, so I got 28.59 acres, and everything's filled out here. Anything in the yellow you cannot change. Anything in the white you can change. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and start my task. Alright, once you start it with the record button here, you can go ahead and hit back. And then what you'll want to do is we want to see that prescription map. So down here on the bottom right, depending on how you have your screen up, you could have your map over here also, but I have it on the bottom right. I'm going to open it. You can see my tractor and planter with the 24 sections. You see your section control up here. Alright, you see your variable rate control here, and then you also see my cell signal there. So what I want to do on the bottom here, you have a little legend. I'm going to hit that total worked area, and you can see different items. So you can see an as applied rate with both the fertilizer on this and the corn, and then you can also see prescription maps. So I'm going to say my prescription map, and now you're going to see the map show up. You see all the different rates. The nice thing is here, the legend automatically corresponds with the prescription rates. And now you can see where I'm located. I'm at my 5,000 rate. If I go to, I'm going to hit my back arrow here. And if I go to my implement on my ISO, you can see there it has your 5,000 as your target rate. Now as we move forward, you guys will see that it changes. So I'm just going to keep both of these up here so you can see both the 5,000 here and then also the prescription. So I'm going to go ahead and start moving forward. Okay, and you can see as I'm driving. You can see your miles an hour here come over CAN bus. And when you look at the prescription, it will change as soon as the planter hits the rate, not the tractor itself. So as we zoom in here, you can see I'm almost to my red rate. You can see I'm at 5,000 right now. And now I'm going to be switching over right now. Now you can see it's at 3,000. Alright, and that is how the prescription is put in. Now, you'll just plant the field. If you want to see what your planter is actually doing for rate, you can open this. You can go to your legend here, and you can go to your population. Now, this is where you're going to see that application rate on the fly from the seed sensors. Alright, so there's different things, and then you can also see your as applied rate on your fertilizer system also. And then you'll see each section here on the bottom. So this is sending prescriptions through Tastock Pro into the AccuTerminal, running any of our ISO implements, whether it be a white planter, a horse planter, or a different third-party ISO controller.